Hello everyone, today I'm going to be taking you through what I have on my Factor 02 road bike. Okay, starting with the drivetrain, we have SRAM Force D2 derailleurs front and back. Then we have a SRAM Rival cassette, which is 10 to 36 tooth, and then SRAM Rival chainrings on the front, which are 48-35, and then Rival cranks, Shimano Dior XT SPD pedals, and then a Rival chain. And for brakes, we have SRAM Rival brakes with 160mm rotors. Okay, moving on to wheels now. We have some Schwalbe 1 tyres. There's a tube only, so I've got some ride-on ultralight tubes inside with some aluminium DT Swiss P1800 spline rims. Okay, in the cockpit now we have an FSA OS 150 aluminium stem with some aluminium specialized bars that are 42 centimeters wide. Then we have some SRAM Rival hoods with SRAM Rival brake levers and shifters. Okay, for a saddle we have an Oval Concepts 300 saddle paired with a black ink carbon seat post and a 56 centimeter Factor 02 frame and fork. Okay, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.